Hi there, students. Galimatias or Galimatias. Okay, this comes from a request from Carmen, and I'm sorry I've been so long in making this. This is a word that I know in Spanish. It means nonsense, rubbish, gobbledygook. It's quite an unusual word in British English. I think in American English it's becoming more common, and I think that's because this word is quite well known in Spanish. So his explanation is Galimatias. It's confused. It's a load of gibberish. It's a load of meaningless talk. It's a confused, unintelligible phrase. Yeah, it's just a load of rubbish. Stop talking such Galimatias or Galimatias. Okay, so something that's confused, something that's unintelligible, that you really can't understand it. He's talking a load of nonsense. He's talking, pretending that he understands what he's talking about, but he doesn't really. So Galimatias or Galimatias, and I'm pretty sure it's a lot more common in the US than the UK. This originally comes to French and went from French into Spanish. Let's see. Galimatias or Galimatias. This comes from French, from a French writer, Michel de Montaigne, from 1580, and he was writing about the gospel according to Matthew. According to Matthew. And at the beginning of that gospel, it gives the origin of Jesus. Yeah, it says Abraham was the father of Isaac, and Isaac was the father of Jacob, and Jacob was the father of Judah, and it goes on eventually to Joseph, who was the father of Jesus. And this word, maybe Galimatias, is saying that, well, this is a load of rubbish. It's something that's just incomprehensible, and it's a load of rubbish. Although there are other various hypotheses as well. It might be related to Joseph of Arimathea, which was thought to be an exotic place and incomprehensible speech. But, well, the origin is not clear. But Galimatias, it's confused talk, confused words, a load of nonsense. Stop talking such Galimatias, Galimatias. It's a noun as well. You say, so stop talking rubbish. Stop giving me a load of old tut. I think most people are not going to know this word, so I'm going to give it a woof. I think I'm going to give it an 8 in formality, maybe a 7.5. It's referring to somebody who's not talking clearly. The language she speaks is like her clothes, which is a Galimatias of several countries. He's always talking with this eternal Galimatias of patriotism that, but it doesn't really make sense. So a Galimatias of stuff. This was language that I'd never heard. A farrago, a Galimatias. As a matter of fact, idle talk and Galimatias of this sort are something that you're not going to find in intelligent literature. Okay, so Galimatias, yeah. Well, I actually missed, I suppose, the first part from Matthew. This come from ancient Greek, katamation, according to Matthew, and that's the idea. So, well, you'll probably think I've been giving you a Galimatias of information. So, Galimatias.